Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. This is the lecture for class 4th, subject English speaking, and today my topic is pronunciation, and this is our lecture 1. So, in this particular lecture, I will pronounce 15 words, and you came to know about the correct pronunciation of those particular words. Now, let me tell you the definition of pronunciation. So, pronunciation is the way in which a word is spoken. Dear students, the way you speak the word is called its pronunciation. How the words sound is its pronunciation. So, you should take care while speaking a word, because it affects while you speak. It improves your English speaking. So, you should focus on the pronunciation. Now, let's start with the words. Now, the first word is alcohol. First word is alcohol. Now, second word is ambitious. Second word is ambitious. You can see over here that I have bifurcated these words according to the syllable. So, you have to speak it like that only. Now, third word is asthma. Basically, the students as well as adults pronounce it wrong. They pronounce it asthma. That is wrong. We have to pronounce it as asthma. We have to pronounce it as asthma. Now the fourth word is bear. Fourth word is bear. The students mispronounce this word is like beer. That is wrong. You should pronounce it like bear. Now the next word is creature. Creature. You can also pronounce it creature. You can also pronounce it creature. Now let me show you the other words. Now the next word is cucumber. Cucumber. Now the seventh word is drought. Drought. Here G is silent. You have to take care of the silent word also. The silent words comes while we spell it or while we write it, but while we pronounce the word, the particular letter is silent. Over here, G is silent. Now the next word is nobility. Nobility. Now the ninth word is examine. Ninth word is examine. Now come to the 10th word, that is often. That is often. Over here you can also see T is silent, but while spelling T comes and while pronouncing the sound of T is not there. So you have to take care of these types of words which are silent. Now the 11th word is position. Position. So these are the few words which I have told you the pronunciation of these words. Now continue with few more words. I am continuing with few more words. Most of the people mispronounce this word vegetable. That is wrong. We have to pronounce it vegetable. We have to pronounce it vegetable. Now the next word is jewelry. Next word is jewelry. Most of the persons mispronounce this word jewelry. That is wrong. You have to take care while saying some word or while you are speaking some word. So you should speak it with its correct pronunciation. Now the next word is flower. That is flower. And the last word is almond. Most of the people spoke it almond. That is wrong. You should speak it almond. So I hope you understood all the words, and I hope that you will speak all the words with correct pronunciation. Dear student, you have to do practice of it, and you very well know that practice makes a man perfect. We will surely do the practice of these words in the class, and in the class you will listen to your classmates how they speak those words, and you should come with the correct pronunciation of these words. I hope you understood, and accordingly I will assign the homework for it. So please join the class to enhance your English skills, English speaking skills. Thank you. Have a good day.